Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello there, Flat Earth Trading Society members. We are on to trade 26. If you forgot what we're doing here, I'm sure you didn't, but let's say you did. What are we doing here? We're saying that one of the biggest conspiracy theories in trading is all of the emphasis that's put on the enter and the lack of emphasis on the exit. In this experiment, we're picking random stocks with random methods, and we're saying, look, we don't care if we're long or short. We think we can make money by just position management alone. So that's all we're going to do. So we're going to pick random stocks, random currencies, whatever it is, and just try to sell our losers and hold our winners and see if we can make a profit. What is it in week 26 or trade 26? Well, it's still fall, and this is in homage to my already dead fantasy football team. We're going to do the NFL wheel spin again. Let's go. So last time we got Apple, we spun and we got the San Francisco 49ers, and then I looked up what is the largest publicly traded company in San Francisco, and we got Apple. So this week, hopefully we'll get another team. Here's an NFL spinning wheel. I couldn't find the one we used last time. It looked much nicer, but look, it's the same, I think 32 teams. Let's give it a spin, and whatever team it lands on, we're going to look up what is the largest publicly traded company in that city. So let's go ahead and spin it. And we are going with the Cleveland Browns. So let's see what is the largest publicly traded company in Cleveland. Largest public company, Cleveland. Let's see, the two largest employers. No, that's not the largest. Companies, top companies in Cleveland. Ooh, we're just getting top. Again, we're supposed to see what the largest is. What is the largest one in Cleveland? Well, okay, the number of employees, 24,000. This is not in any sort of list whatsoever here. Well, you know what? Instead of me just clicking around, let's just go with this first one. Qrate Retail Group. Let's check it out. I don't think there is a publicly traded stock of Qrate. You can see there is preferred stock, but there is no common stock. So we're going to go to the next one in the list. Let's go to Paycor. Let's see if that one's publicly traded. And there it is right here. Paycor trades on the NASDAQ. Let's go ahead and click on that. Go to the daily chart. And let's get our correct indicators in there. All right, so we have a downward sloping 13 EMA on a daily chart. So this is our daily chart. We can see we're downward sloping. And the current price is $23.50, so we are going to be short. $23.50 is the current price, and the current ATR is spot on 80 cents. So let's go ahead and build that trade. Trade 26 made on October 24, 2023. Symbol is PYCR. We are short. The price was $23.50. We need to figure out position size. In order to do that, we need to get at where is our initial stop going to be. If entry is $23.50, we're going to have a 2x ATR stop. Since it's short, it's going to be above it at $25.10. Let's go figure out our position size. First, we need to go into our account and see what is our account value. Now, last week was a rough week for the Flat Earth Trading Society because we had longs and shorts going. The market tanked and the shorts went up, the longs went down. We ended up taking 5 losses last week, and some of those losses were full losses, meaning we got into the position and they literally never went of like a penny in our favor. They just went down to the 2x ATR and stopped out. As you can see here, portfolio is at 97,268 at the moment. Account balance was 97,268. The risk is going to be 1%. Entry 2350. And we've got our stop loss was at 2510. And everything else is fine. Let's hit calculate. 608 shares. That is the amount. Let's go make the trade. Let's put in the stock PYCR. This is going to be a short, so we are going to be selling. Position size was 607. 607 shares. I'm going to put it down here. You can see the stock has moved up a little bit, so we're going to get a little bit better fill. I'm going to go to advanced, attach my initial stop loss. This is going to be a trailing stop. ATR was 80 cents, so it's going to be $1.60. $1.60 ATR on this one. We make sure it's good till canceled. And this trade is ready to go. Let's hit submit. And the trade is made. If we check in, what was the actual fill price? The actual fill price of this trade was $23.543. So we'll just call it $23.54 as entry price. Since we got about 4 cents better than we thought at $23.50, everything moves up. Our first 2x target is $21.94. Our 4x target is $20.34. Now look, one of two things is going to happen. Either this trade's going to work for us and get down to $21.94, where we'll move our stop, or it's going to go against us and it's just going to get stopped out for a loss. That's it. That's it. There's nothing else to do. This is where people screw up trading, is they start thinking and they start feeling. No, don't do anything. You don't check any buttons. You don't do anything. No matter how you feel, you just follow the rules, sit there and smile. That's it. That's Trade 26. Goodbye, everybody.